Today we are going to discuss about how to publish a dashboard in PowerBI Service using the Excel data which resides in the SharePoint as an online source. Basically, I'm following the following steps. So the very first step is opening the file from the OneDrive path, which is nothing but the SharePoint location. And I'm just opening the file from the SharePoint path and opening once it is open, I'm copying the path actually. Okay, so this is the actual URL. I will get it from the step number 2. Once I got the full URL, I'll remove the end section like question mark web is equal to 1 from the URL. Then the fourth step is I will open in the Power BI desktop and import this particular the latest the SharePoint data through the web page data source method. Okay, and once it's loaded, like I'm using my organizational account to complete the file access to load the data. Okay, so the data will be loaded and settled as a data set in your dashboard. So in the canvas area you can start building your dashboard. You can design your dashboard report. Once your design is ready, then you can publish the dashboard as a step number 6. And once everything is ready and clear to go, so what you can do is you can publish it and go to the semantic model section in the step number 7 to validate your credential, so that you can see the online data real time, like to see the latest data, correct? So for that reason you need to use the change your credential, like apply your credential, I mean to say, like using the auth method, auth 2 and privacy level now. So these are the steps you need to cover to achieve what we needed to see the data, correct? So let us jump into the demonstration now. I'm going to open my Power BI desktop. Meanwhile, I will show the SharePoint location. Already I have it. So this is the SharePoint location. I have the file. Okay, this is the file I'm going to use it. Okay, meanwhile, okay, so my Power BI desktop got open now. Okay, so now before to that, the very first step, what I told, like I told you to open the file, correct? So from the SharePoint location, I'm just clicking this file and opening. You have to go to, once you click the three dots, you will see these two options, correct? In open, you have to choose the open in app method, and it will you have to open the Excel. When you open it, yeah, the file got open. Now you just navigate your cursor to file section and you see this info section. Click the info section and here you need to copy the path here. Okay, copy the path and it will copy the URL which we wanted. Now you go to Power BI desktop, which is already ready for our development activity. Now you take your cursor to get data and you need to do your import data from a page section. Okay, so it will prompt you for the URL. This time already we copied, correct? So here you remove the n keyword, like I mentioned here. See, I'm removing step number 3. See that I'm removing that. Okay, so I removed it. I'm clicking OK now. Once you click OK, it will prompt you to confirm which access method you're going to connect this data source. Okay, I'm just clicking organizational and I'm clicking a sign in. Okay, I'm using my credential already. Okay, and connecting. Okay, so this is done. Now the data has been loaded now. Okay, now it's getting loaded. Just a second. So I'm selecting the data now. This is the data what I wanted. So I'm clicking load button to load the data now. Okay, I think the data is yeah, the data is getting loaded now from the sheet 1. Okay, now the data is loaded completely. Let us build a dashboard. But this is a sample dummy dashboard I'm going to create from the data what we have it. Okay, now I'm using the table visual. I'm going to, okay, I'm going to use uh, two data points now. So I'm going to use human data set. Okay, to rename this visual here. Okay, okay, so these two things is ready. Now I'm going to give the header, go to insert section and build the text box here. Okay, country wise, drain drain data, something I'm just giving for our learning purpose. Okay, so that's it, done. So now I'm going to build this. Okay, cool. So this is my dummy dashboard report which I've created for you for our demonstration purpose. Let's try to publish this one. Okay, now the Excel sheet which resides in SharePoint, we added as in the source like we discussed through the web import data from web page sources, and the data also has been loaded completely. Now we took on two data points and I built the dashboard. I'm going to publish it as the final step. Okay, before to that I'm saving test new Excel SharePoint data. Okay, I'm giving some dummy name here. Save this and I'm going to publish it into my workspace. Okay, so this is where the Power BI service it will go. Okay, so yeah, so this is done in the Power BI desktop side. The development we have done after loading successfully, published also in the Power BI side. Let us go into the Power BI side now. So now let's go to the Power BI side. Let me take you guys to my workspace. Okay, let us try to check it out. This is the dashboard which I've created now. So this is the new. Okay, now we need to go to semantic models section to ensure that online source of data is properly configured to get the data correct. So you see that, so we need to sign in with the authentication method. I already had mentioned, correct, the final part. You need to choose the authentication method to OAuth 2 and privacy level maintain as none, correct. Sign in and it will prompt you your organizational credential. That's it. Okay, so now you're done with the part. Now let's go back. Now everything is all set. Like if you want to schedule a refresh, no, but since it's an online refresh you no need to, but you can manage it. So but now let's go back to the dashboard and finish the part. See, the dashboard is ready. I think this video is really useful how to publish the SharePoint data source, the Excel data source, okay, to publish in PowerBI service. Okay, these are the steps you need to follow, and if you follow my instruction, you'll be good to publish it everything. Okay, let me know for any doubts. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.